Hello and welcome to another episode of ClickDesigns. Yes, today we're going to be talking about something really fun. I love this. I used to have an agency doing this, so I have a lot of experience with web design and web design templates. And guess what? Nothing has made it easier than ClickDesigns, and I'm going to show you that today. But my name is Angie Norris. I'm a power user of ClickDesigns here from week to week to help you understand the power of the ClickDesigns tool, what you can be using it for. And right now we are in a fall series called Design and Profit with ClickDesigns, where I'm showing you how you can make money using the ClickDesigns software for your brand or for others. And so today, web design, web templates, so cool, much needed. Everyone loves it. And ClickDesigns makes it super easy to create. And man, I can't wait to show you the powerful button of export, that you can export all of your graphics into one folder that makes it easy to pop in to your landing page builder, no matter what one you use. That's what I said. You don't have to use a specific landing page builder or website builder. You can use any of them. It works across the board. And some of these have some integrations as well. So if you have picked certain platforms that integrate with ClickDesigns, then you can actually access your folders directly from your builders, which is really cool. I'm going to show you all that today. Super excited to be here. I hope that you guys are having a great year. I cannot believe that we are trucking along here in 2024. It's just mind-blowing how fast this year is going, but I hope you guys are enjoying it. So let's get into the software. I'm going to show you around what you can do and make money by creating web design templates in ClickDesigns. The first thing I want to do is go to Fiverr and show you how people are making money creating web design elements and templates. So let's go ahead and put web design, and you're going to see that a lot of people are offering different services to design really cool websites in all different platforms. We've got Wix and WordPress, and I'm sure if you type in other ones you can too, but like look at this one. You guys could create this inside of ClickDesigns, export it out, and you can charge whatever you want, really, because there are so many people needing this that don't have an eye for design, or they don't have the tools. They don't want to spend lots and lots of money. And you can also type in web design elements, and you're going to see even more elements here. Now, what's cool is I'm going to show you inside of ClickDesigns what I'm talking about when I say elements that you guys can create for your potential clients. So let's go back over to ClickDesigns here, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on templates on the top menu bar, and then we're going to go over here to two different things. Well, first we're going to click on, let's see here, we're going to click on pages. I'm going to show you how you can create pages in here. We're going to do this today. We're going to just customize one of these. This one looks cool, kind of like that one. Let's go ahead and heart that one. We'll do that one in a minute. And then come back over here, and we're going to click, keep going, on to funnels. And when we click on funnels, you're going to see all of these different things. Now look at these. You can go through, this is headlines, and let's look at one of these because I love what they've done here. So if you click on this headline could be at the top of someone's page, and you can go to video skins, and you can see that you can create the nice video skins, buttons, lots and lots of buttons here. We have bullet boxes, so those are great for when you're on a web page and you want to visually show something in a list, but you want it to pop, right? Here's some profile pictures, lots of those. We've got sketches here to go behind potential words, and we've got just lots and lots of stuff that you can add to your web pages. Bonus boxes, very, very popular here. Look at all these. These look great. And there are so many more. If I click more at the bottom of each of these, view more, there's just tons Those are order stacks, pricing tables. We have licenses if you are giving certifications or some kind of a badge. Lots and lots to choose from. And you can customize these too. You can go in here and change the words and change the colors. Money back guarantees. We have coupons right here. Coupons are really popular if you want to showcase that. Contest. So if you're having some type of a contest, which we have like lots coming up here. If you're an affiliate, you know there's a lot coming up with Black Friday. We have these little product images, checkout banners, and so much more. So these you could create on Fiverr, just these elements right here. So you could type in and create a job, web design elements or web page elements, something to that effect. And what you can do is, there's no one here, but what you could do is you could create a tile. See how this person has different images to show? You can go and you can make one for each of these. And what I mean is, like, you can go to headlines, select maybe 5 or 6 of these, put them in a collage like we've done the last few weeks, put them in a collage and type headlines at the top, or I will create headlines for your web pages, and then change it out for each one of these. And you can have how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 different ones that you can create, and you can add that to your Fiverr profile. Or you can create a different job for each one. So you could say, I will create headlines for your web pages. The next job is I will create video skins. You know, you can really get specific and really beef out your profile. And then we go over to pages here and we get, man, these are just so beautiful. And so we're going to play around with this today. Let me get started here and demo what I'm talking about so you guys can understand how you can make money by creating web pages, web elements as a service. The first thing I want to show you is how amazing these full page blocks are. Now we have blocks and we have full pages, and I want you to kind of go through here before you begin to see all the different ones. It's actually quite awesome. Now, if you are a little new to using the pages function in ClickDesigns, you can watch this video right here. This video, let me see what happens. This video is going to show you about this. Now, what is really cool is that they've created it in a way where you can actually rearrange the blocks very easily. So if we look at this one, which is definitely my own brand colors, which I love. I might even use this one for myself. So actually, what if we just did that? Because how cool would that be? What you would do is you can copy this whole preview. We're going to add it to a new page. And then you can see this. Now, if you want to zoom in, you can zoom in like this, but it's going to show you the entire page. Now, that looks amazing. So if we go back over here, and if I want to go ahead and use that, I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon. Now, if you scroll down, I want you to take some time to look. So many wonderful designs here. Like, the designers on the team have just done an epic job. Like, this one looks really great. I could see this being a podcast one or a lead magnet one. I know I hearted one earlier, and there's just so many great ones. You can click view more to view more. But what we're going to do, just for the sake of time and for training, is we're going to click on this one. I'm going to go ahead and click on the button. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to create it in this way. So you'll see that it's added. Here's the full page. Here's content block, content block, content block, content block, content block, content block, and content block. Because what you're going to do is you're going to edit each piece, and it's going to bring it together in here. Now, if you see something, an element from another page, you can also add those in here as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on this one. We're going to click on edit just so you can see it. But then when we get into the editing, we're going to actually go into each one of these. So let's go ahead and click on edit. And you're going to see now that here on the bottom, there are all the blocks. Now we can rearrange these. You can move these like this, and it's pretty neat, right? So if I want to make sure I don't mess up the order, but like this one is one that I created for my own stuff, and I could use this and add it here if I wanted to, which maybe I will. So how about this? Use page block. So I'm going to go ahead and click on use page block, and it's going to add it to the bottom here. Now if I want to rearrange it, I'll just drag it over here all the way, and it'll be right here. That looks pretty cool. So I'm going to move this one over. We're going to have every other one. I like the contrast, and you can see like I can add this one. So let's use that block, and there it is here. We can move this one over. Let's move it right here and move this one down. This one down like this. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and click on finish. And now that we're finished, it's going to bring us back here. And now what we can do is we can go ahead and preview this, and you're going to see exactly what we just created. Look, I put I'm just a girl building her empire there. I put what you'll get in this course. Here is the block that we made. So you see how simple that was. Now why don't we now do this is we're going to go into each one of these and actually edit it. So if I went to this first one, this is the top block. Let's go ahead and click on edit, and we're going to look at here. Now see, this is the logo. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my own brand kit, and I've taught you guys many times how to do the brand kit, and I can go ahead and click on what this is going to look like. So I'm going to add this one here, and we're going to make it smaller, put it right there at the top, and put it like that. Now if I wanted to, I can take that out easily and go ahead and click this one. So why don't we do this one? This one's kind of a little subtle here, and I can put that right there at the top. That'll be my, and I can add some words here. I'm not going to, but become a master in marketing. Maybe I want it to say become, how about learn? Actually, I kind of like the marketing because that's what I do. Marketers FM is my brand. So if I wanted to add a text layer here, go up here and do Marketers FM. So that's my brand name anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and make that small, put that right here. Really small. Okay, so there is my logo, and then I can change the font to my font, but I'm not going to. And then this one, we can look at this. This is a group, so you'll see that if you select something and you can't edit it, just look up here and you'll see it says group settings, and you just right click on there, ungroup, and then you'll be able to create the elements. Now look at this. If I want to change this to my brand colors, I can go 12D60F. There is my brand colors right there. This one's pretty close, but F70FF. So that looks pretty good. We can change the gradient angle if we want it just to be subtle. Pretty cool, right? So I'm going to go ahead and leave this, and just because I do teach and I think that looks pretty good. If I want to change out some of these colors, I can right click, ungroup, or you can just click back if you don't like the changes. Now this one, I didn't click save. So I want to stress to you guys to always click save, because when you don't, this is what happens when you go and use the back button, and it's my own fault. Okay, save. All right, let's go ahead and just keep that there and click exit. All right, now we're gonna go to the next slide. Now, I'm not gonna change the one I have, so we're gonna go to this one right here, click on edit. All right, once we're in here, now what we can do is we can change some of these elements out. You can see that they're group settings, so if I wanted to, I can change out content creation, email marketing, data analytics, paid advertising, brand strategy, social media advertising. What if I wanted to change these out? So if I can just right click, click ungroup. If I wanted to, I can say artificial intelligence, if I spelled that right. So if I wanted to teach how to do AI, which is one of the things I do, and I can change out all of these, and I can also change out the colors here to my colors. I can do that, or I can do a gradient as well, or that one. So I'm just going to do that. So ungroup, ungroup. So I could do every other one. So it would look like this. This one could look like gray, and then this one, ungroup, ungroup, ungroup. This one could be the pink. And I love having my blanket in there because it makes it so easy. This one could be the purple, and this one could be the blue, or I'm just going to go back to that one. All right, so there we have it, what you'll gain in this course. Go ahead and click on save. Now if I wanted to, I can change these out too. So this is ungroup, and you'll see that I did not hit save, right? That's what happens. So if we do this, this is bringing forth this group, and then what I can do is I can change these out. I'm going to leave them here because I kind of like them, but I can change out this color to that. I can change out this one to that, and then we'll just keep that here. And we can group these back if we wanted to by, you click on this, shift, sorry. Click on this, click shift, and then you can select all of these and right click, group. And now I've grouped them back together, and then we can move this one around, right? I'm just gonna hit the back button because I don't want to go too deep in the advanced stuff, because when I do that, it might mess things up. But you can see that it changed some of the stuff, right? Because I didn't hit save. Artificial intelligence. And all you want to do is you can easily just go back through. And if you have a brand kit, that's what makes it super, super easy. So I'm just going to do that real fast here. I think that just to show you kind of what's possible and how quickly you can change things out. But again, I'm going to stress to you, click save often. Okay, so now we have 2 of these. Now, I'm not going to go through each one of those, but if I wanted to, I can click on this one and change out my picture, and we can say meet the teacher. So here it is. I'm going to ungroup, and I could take her out if I wanted to, and go ahead and click on delete. I'm going to go over here to image and see what I have for myself, and it might take me a little bit because I've been doing a lot of design work lately. But if I keep going down, I'll find one for myself. There I am. Click on that. I will take out the background by selecting the image and going to background remover. I love that the team has added this right here to make it super easy. And then we'll put that right here. Move that down just like so. And then I'm going to bring this one forward. So I'm going to do this. Watch this. Bring this one forward. Bring forward. Bring forward. Bring forward, okay, and then this one, bring forward, bring forward, bring forward, okay. And we'll just send this one backwards a little bit, just like that, okay. So this, I'm going to change to my colors. Do I want pink or blue? Let's do the pink one. And then here is the name, so let's change it out to Angie Norris, because that's me. And then we'll put that right here. Let me move this right, that, and then that right there. Okay, that's pretty easy. You can change out some of these other elements too. I'm just going to leave it because it's just easier that way. Now, you see how there is this one? So what they did is they made this. If you look, this is her. They made it white so that there's a white background. And this is a little more advanced, but if you go here, you can see that they did contrast like that, and then they did brightness. Okay, so if I were to do that for myself, what I would do is I would delete that, duplicate this, just like this, and this we're gonna go down to contrast, and we're going to go down to brightness like this. So it makes it a kind of a white, and then we'll send this one backwards. So send backwards, send backwards, send backwards, send backwards. Okay, now you can see how there's kind of an outline. You guys like that? That looks pretty cool. And we can change this to my colors, pink, just like that. Pretty Cool. Now I'm going to move this over because my arm. Let's do this one. So what I do is select Angie Norris, hit the shift key, and we'll select both, and now they're grouped together. We can move this like this, just like that, so it covers up the ends. All right, meet your teacher. And then we can change those out too, but I'm just going to leave them there. Maybe I'll make that just like this. This one, my brand color, like that. Okay, save. Okay, so you guys get the idea. I don't have to go deep on the editing. You guys can edit to your heart's content. And then once you're done, then what you'll do is you'll go back to this full page one, click open, and there they are, all of the pages we just created. And if you click on edit, there they are. Look, everything's changed to all the changes that I made, and boom, we have it. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we can click on finish, and now here is our finished product. Let's go ahead and click on preview here, and you'll see that there it is. There's the logo I added. My brand colors. There's me. I changed those colors, added artificial intelligence. We have this that I have added, and you'll see there I am. So you see how easy that was to change. Now we're going to click on copy URL. We're going to go up here and paste that in, and now you're going to see there is the final product. Now here's where it gets fun. So what we can do now is, if you click these three dots, go ahead and click that, and you're going to click on download. When you click download, this window will come up and it says download page assets. So that's what we're going to do here. And here, sales page, master, and marketing, you have two different options for the type of format of the graphics. One is PNG and one is WebP. WebP is very popular because it's very low res with high quality images. I'm going to go ahead and do PNG just for the sake of this, and then you can click on start download. Now it's going to give you a progress bar, processing, and you'll see that it's right here. It'll go fast or slow depending on your computer, and generating assets and creating a zip file. And you'll see that there is the zip file. We can go there and we can open it up. Let's go ahead and do that. I have right-clicked and we did an extract all. So when you're on the zip file, you'll go to right-click and you'll click extract all, and that'll make it into a folder that you'll be able to see now. Now what's great is it has the page blocks in the order, so you can sort this by name and you'll see page block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's pretty cool. And then here's the final. Let's go ahead and open that up. And look at that. That looks really, really good. Let's go ahead and zoom in here. Ooh. And you'll be able to now see what this looks like. I think that looks pretty good. Man, I could probably just go ahead and pop this in and start using it, right? And I can make changes. It's pretty nifty. Okay, so that's here. And then in each one of these, you'll get all of the different design elements. So as someone who's going to make this stuff, you don't have to actually build their website. You can, but you can just give them all of the elements. Like if you've heard of Figma, it's similar to that, where people will design it and they'll give you all the elements, but you still have to put that together, and it's pretty cool, right? So really, really neat. I love this. Now, what I want to do is, because we don't have all the time in the world, I can't show you exactly how to build this out into the platform, but I want to show you how to make it easy for you. So if you go back over here to the ClickDesigns dashboard, and right here on the top, okay, you're going to see install WordPress plugin. Now, WordPress plugin, that's going to be where it will have a folder in your WordPress instance where it'll show you exactly all of your designs right from your ClickDesigns folders. So you don't have to leave WordPress to open ClickDesigns, download, and then upload. You can just click on this WordPress plugin inside of WordPress, and a folder will appear that will have all of these already in there, which is really cool. Activate Chrome extension is for anyone on the planet can do this one. So you can click Activate Chrome extension. It's going to have an icon at the top where you'll click that icon and a folder will open with all of your stuff, which is really cool. Now there are other ones as well, and let me see if I can track those down for you. If we go over to ClickDesigns on the YouTube channel, you will see on the videos tab all of the amazing videos that they've created to teach you everything you need to know about ClickDesigns. Now if you hit search, so let's go ahead and click on search and click on integrations. Then you're going to see how it integrates. So ClickDesigns will integrate with different WordPress, high level, ClickDesigns. We have Groove. There's so many different ones. So here's high level, how you can integrate right into high level. This one is for Groove. And if you just keep going, there's Convertry, and you'll see possibly the ones that you're looking for. Look, Thrive Themes, and you can just keep going. So Kartra, there's a lot of different ones in here. So that might help you if you're looking for a specific thing, and that's exactly what you will have, which is pretty cool. So don't be afraid to be resourceful and look up some things on your own for specific to your landing page builder. I use all of them. I have used all of them. I have been building websites since 1997, back when HTML was a thing, and that's all you had. And then I moved up the chain. I was using Macromedia Dreamweaver when it was Macromedia. I used Front Page, Team Sites, Oracle 9 AIS Plus. I used Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, WordPress, Groove, ClickFunnels, High Level, and the list goes on and on and on. I pretty much have built them all. So I say that to tell you that this has made it so much easier to come up with a design before you even enter your landing page, and it has helped me make things so much faster. So I hope you guys like that. Now again, you can mix and match these blocks. So if you see a block over here and you want to add this one, we could easily add this one to this whole page. Very, very easy. All you have to do is find the blocks that you want. So if I were to click on something like, let's see, pricing, and let's go back up here to templates. Make sure you're on templates so you'll see all of them. And then we'll go back over here to pages. And then if we go down to, let's see, let's go to blocks. So you can click on page blocks right here. And if we click on pricing, if I wanted to take one of these and turn it into my own, I could easily do that. And I'll show you really quickly. I'm gonna click on this one because I just want to make sure you guys know how easy they have made it. So if I want, I can change this. Let's go ahead and ungroup. Let's take this, let's make this my brand colors. Oops. Just like that. This would be FF0. That, okay. And let's see here, we've got the blue here. It's kind of weird that it's not changing blue, but that's okay. Must be. Okay, we'll just leave that. But we can change this, so ungroup, take the button, go to brand kit, go click that. So, I mean, very easy, right? We can change these colors out to our own. Let's change that out to pink. How about pink? Just like that, just to show you how simple it is. And it's pretty cool. Okay, so there we have it. Not bad. Still not sure why this one is not changing to my colors, but we can recreate it really quickly if we wanted to. Just click on basic shape, Let's go ahead and match this, that. So I'm showing you this because I want you guys to see that no matter what you're trying to accomplish, you can. And so linear, let's go ahead and move that angle just like that. Okay, let's move that backwards, send backwards, send backwards, send backwards, send backward until it's in place like that. And then we'll take that one off and see how easy that was to make it my colors. Okay, click save. Okay, let's now show you how to now add this here. So let's go ahead and click on edit. And you're going to see there it is. So let's go ahead and click on use page block. I think I added it too many times that I did. Click that. And now we can move that maybe, how about right below this one? All right, finish. And just because you guys know I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, I'm going to go back in here and just change one thing. I'm going to click this and make sure it's my colors, F70FFF. Okay, there we go. Much better. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on edit again. And there it is. And it already changed the color, so I don't have to do anything. Go ahead and click on finish. And now we can view it. Let's go ahead and preview. And let's see if that popped in there. Let's go down here. There it is. See how easy that was. Now I'd probably make this black, but you get the idea, and that's pretty cool. So guys, elements, very cool. So now what I would do is I would take this page and we would make a collage out of it. So I could make a collage out of all of these. And then if you go over to Fiverr and you type in web design, you can see other people's kind of samples of what this could look like, but you could make these types of things if you wanted to. And this guy only has one, but if we were to go back, like this guy has more than one thing. So see how he added this little collage. Let's go down here, right here. Oops, not that one, this one. So see how he made this collage? You could do the same thing. You could add that exact one I just made. You can make a bigger one. You can add each of the sections like I did. So really, really cool. Very, very easy. And then you guys can say, hey, this will be this much dollars, and you guys can earn a profit. The other thing you can do is we have the marketplace here. If you wanted to, I could create this. Now I can add it to the marketplace, and you can charge people, you know, $9 or something like that are ClickDesigns users, and they can take your design and use it. But regardless, you guys can make money, and it is so cool and so awesome and so fun and so easy, right? I want to challenge you guys to go ahead and create one for yourself and share that with the Facebook community. Let me close this out. I know we're over time. All right, what did you guys think? Yes, super easy to do this, right? Not hard, because ClickDesigns has made it super easy for you to create these amazing different kinds of design templates and web pages and landing pages and websites, and the sky is the limit. You can rearrange them very easily, very quickly. You can send it over so they can view what it looks like, and you can make changes on the fly as they send them to you. Now, I just love this. I used to own my own agency. Yes, we would design your web page and funnel in the platform of choice. So I understand all the different platforms that you can use today. There's a lot out there, and I have been a web designer since the late 90s. Yes, I am aging myself, but I just had a birthday, so I can do that. But it's crazy how many platforms there are out there, but they're all individually unique to whatever your business needs. So if you like ones like High Level or ClickDesigns or Groove, or maybe you like some older school ones like Front Page and using Dreamweaver, WordPress, there's lots of them out there. There's some new ones popping up every single day. There's even some AI powered ones. So no matter which one you're using, I can tell you that ClickDesigns will create the most amazing graphics for that. And I showed you that trick, the export all the graphics into one folder, which was awesome. And again, you have lots of integrations with ClickDesigns. They do a great job of integrating into different landing page builder platforms so that it makes it easy for you to access your media bin. Now, if you don't have an integration, that's okay, because you can use the Chrome extension, which is the same thing. So it's really cool. All right, guys, I'm going to close this out here. I know I went long, but it was a lot to cover and it was really cool. And I hope you guys were inspired to maybe build some out for your clients. Now you can do this using Fiverr and showcase some of the landing pages that are inside of ClickDesigns, or maybe you can create some from scratch and then put those out there. But whatever you do, this can be a lucrative service for you. So don't be afraid to drop some comments into the Facebook group. Show us what you're doing, and maybe you've already made money from this tactic. But no matter what, have a great rest of your week, even better week, and I'll see you guys next week on the next training, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.